Asparagus, a tender, vibrant spring vegetable that's quick and easy to prepare. Today I'll show you 2 simple methods to cook perfect asparagus every time. Ingredients: 1 pound of asparagus, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and if you like, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, lemon wedges, and grated Parmesan. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius. Snap off the tough, woody bottom of each stalk by bending it until it breaks. This automatically finds the natural breaking point. Lay the asparagus on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil, then sprinkle with salt, pepper, and optional garlic powder. Toss to coat evenly. Roast in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Thinner stalks need about 12 minutes, thicker stalks closer to 15. Halfway through, shake the pan or turn with tongs for even browning. When tender, crisp, and slightly charred at the tips, remove from oven. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top and add a sprinkle of Parmesan or toasted almonds if you like. For sautéed asparagus, preheat a skillet over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then the trimmed asparagus. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes, stirring every minute or two, until the spears are bright green and lightly browned. Season with salt and pepper, finish with lemon juice and your favorite garnish. And there you have it. 2 foolproof ways to cook asparagus. Cooking directions and ingredients are listed in the description below. Try them both and let me know which is your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more quick kitchen tips.